All right, all. So I think it is no secret that having the right song choice is key. And so really quickly, just to elaborate on that too, having dealt with hundreds of people in auditions, be it for major reality shows and helping them land private auditions, haven't done private auditions, haven't actually worked with someone who was on Idol, and haven't hosted quite a few workshops with Broadway stars. I think I've got a little bit of info to share and some really cool things. But that being said, song choice is so important, and it's key that you pick something that you feel like you could perform in your sleep. Because on top of just like the whole anxiety of the audition itself, because let's just call a spade, like auditions, I don't know, is there anyone, drop a comment, like anyone who's like, oh my god, I love auditions.